Chinese New Year nang pumunta ako ng New York kasama ang sidekick kong nagmula rin sa Pilipinas, si Brownie. Yeah, meet my pet rat, Brownie.
Hi, Brownie.
Yeah, he doesn't bite. He doesn't bite. Don't worry. You can pet him. He's nice. He's been trained. Yeah, no, he doesn't like cats.
Can she touch the rat?
Oh, sure. Don't worry. No rabies. Doesn't bite. You like rats? Okay. Yeah, Ratatouille. Yeah, but he doesn't cook very well. He's still learning. Hey, can my rat meet your lion? Si Brownie ang naisip kong paraan para makilala ang mga New Yorker at makausap sila tungkol sa isang hayop na pinandirihan. We know there are a lot of rats in New York City. Is this going to be a good year for rats in New York City?
That's a very good question. I hope so that the rat could do some good.
Does anyone here like rats? No, nobody likes rats? You don't
They're kind of cute. Only the cartoon kind.
only the cartoon kinds? How about the kinds you see in the subway?
No.
Why don't you like rats?
They steal your food. They make your
What?
They have rabies. They have rabies.
They have what?
They eat your food. They steal the cheese. They are dirty.
They're dirty?
They poop everywhere.
Do you think celebrating rats is going to change your mind about rats?
No.
Tapakan at ipakain sa leon. Yan din malamang ang gusto nilang gawin sa mga tunay na kalahi ni Brownie. Kala ko na wala na!
They're here. A lot of people we're talking to who work nearby say they couldn't believe the rodents crawling all around in plain sight.
I'm not eating here again.
Locals say this area of 6th Avenue
Sa dami ng mga daga rito, pwede nang tawaging Dagalandia ang New
such a
York.
popular fast food place overrun with rodents.
Sa YouTube, nagkalat ang video ng mga naiibang residente ng syudad. Madalas na nitong maging paksa sa kanilang balita. Nakilala ang New York para sa kanyang mga ilaw na tanyag sa buong mundo. Mahirap isipin na ang napakayamang syudad na ito may problema sa mga pesteng kilalang-kilala rin ng mga taga-Maynila. Nasa New York kami sa mga pinakamaginaw na araw ng taon. Tulad ng tao, giniginaw din ang daga. Kaya sumisilong sila sa mas maiinit na lugar. Ang iilang nakita sa kalsada, masyadong mabilis para sa aming camera. Hating gabi nang mapadaan muli kami sa Chinatown. Halos wala ng tao sa kalye, maliban na lang sa mga nangungulekta ng basura. Akala ko supot ng basura at may dagang gumagalaw sa loob ng supot. Nung pala, tao kasi nakita ko yung mga daliri.
Ah?
May mga natutulog pala sa kalye kahit ganito kaginaw.
Ang ginaw.
Mabuti pa ang mga daga, may nasisilungan.
We're looking for rats. You see any rats around here?
I sleep out here.
Homeless si Robert. Natutulog lang siya sa isang kahon sa may sidewalk. Kaya naman madalas siyang makainkwentro ng daga.
You can't eliminate them.
No, you can't. Impossible.
guard for them at a level. They could be out here. We can't do what they do. It wasn't a mistake. They smart.
Why do you think there are a lot of rats in New York?
Why they got more here? Because you got the subway.
Kung nais daw namin mas maobserbahan ng mga taga ng New York, kailangan naming suyurin ang ilalim ng kalsada. Ayun! 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 Sa ilalim ng mga ito, ibang-iba ang mundo. Isa sa pinakamatanda at pinakamalawak sa mundo ang New York Subway train system. Paborito rin itong pahayan ng mga peste ng syudad.
No, he's mine.
I could use it. Let me tell you where a whole lot of rats is.
Yeah, okay.
No Street Avenue on the 8th. They walk around on the 8th. Go get back on this train and go to No Street Avenue.
That's in Brooklyn?
Yes! A whole lot of rats.
Aba, galing na mismo ang payo sa empleyado ng subway.
Good tip. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
Why No Street Avenue?
No street, no street.
No Street.
You know, it's the year of the rat.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, well, you're wearing red. That's good luck.
We both are.
Yeah,
Yeah, today we wore red.
I like the year of the man. I don't like rats.
Rats? I hate them so. I hate them, man. But hey, this is New York. This is part of New York. I'm not a big fan. Even if this is the year of the rat.
Does he eat a lot?
Not so much.
He's a pretty good pet, huh?
Cheap date.
Cheap date. I'm a cheap date.
May kaibigan daw sila na ginulat ng tunay na daga sa subway.
Okay, so you see the rat right between your legs. So you'd really run that far?
Yeah, away. Oh my
Okay.
god, I would run up the stairs. I would no longer take a subway. Ever.
Rowdy. There's a bite.
I'm not afraid. Yeah, I'm still not afraid.
Okay. Is this it? All right, here we go. Okay, thank you.
Marami raw fast food restaurant sa taas ng istasyong ito. Kaya hindi na malayo ang commute ng mga dagang namamahay sa Nostrand Station.
Ayan, narinig mo? Nakakatakot.
Baka biglang lumundag eh. Kita mo?